Hello guys. Now, in this video, we want to determine the intervals over which a function is increasing, decreasing, or it stays constant. Now, here are some definitions I want you to take down when it comes to determining increasing, decreasing, and constant. And it's in terms of the x-coordinate. And we must write that in interval notation. So, it says, as x gets bigger between two x values, x1 and x2, and the y values increase, the function is increasing on the interval of x1 to x of 2. Then it says, as x gets bigger between x1 and x2, and the y values decrease, the function is decreasing on the interval of x1 to x2. And the last one, as x gets bigger between x1 and x2, and the y value stays the same, the function is constant on the intervals of x1 to x2. Using these definitions, we want to determine the intervals of increasing, decreasing, or constant on this function. So let's look at increasing. And let's draw arrows that indicates the direction. So for increasing, right? I see only one spot where my function increases. Where the x gets bigger, the y's get bigger. And that's going to go from the x value of 2 to the x value of 3. Because between x's 2 and 3, the y value increase. Therefore, my interval of increasing will go from x's 2 to x's 3. Do not report in terms of the y value. Report it in terms of the x values. Now, when it comes to decreasing, let's reset. There appears to be two intervals of decreasing. Decreasing starts, change my color by the way, let's make this red. Decreasing from here to here, and decreasing from here to here. So my first interval of decreasing starts at the x value of -4 to the x value of -1. So the first interval will go from -4 to -1. Then I'm going to put a union. And now I'm looking at the second interval of decreasing. It starts here at -3. X equals, +3. My apologies. And now if you look right here, let me clear this. If you look here, this function is going down forever and ever and ever. As it goes down forever and ever and ever, it's going more towards the right. This is going down and right. And as it goes more towards the right as well, the x value is approaching infinity. Therefore, the other interval of decreasing will start when x equals 3, and it decreases forever and ever and ever, and that approaches to positive infinity. So that is my interval of decreasing. Now we're going to focus on the interval of the function being constant. That means as x increases, the y values remain the same. Let's clear this. So there's only one interval of constant, and that starts at the x value of -1, and it travels to the x value of +2. X equals -1. X equals to +2. So therefore, the intervals of constant goes from -1 to +2. And that is the answer to this question. All right, guys, that is it to this video. Hope it was helpful. And I'll see you in the last video of this section. Take care.